How do you play room dash? Listen to the question and decide which one is the right answer. If you're in the classroom, run to the correct answer. But if you're at home, you can just point. Okay, ready? Let's play.
Which is worth more? Which is worth less? Which is worth less? Which is worth more? Which adds up to 20 pence? Which is worth more?